For you to have even heard of the name ClickBank, you'd have to be very knowledgeable, speaking less of what it stands for. Even today, there are still some people who are still in the dark about ClickBank as a company, and ClickBank as a brand flexing so much financial muscle on the internet. Which is kinda bizarre because ClickBank is one of the largest, if not the largest internet marketplace for digital products and a meeting place of thousands of affiliates who are out to try their luck and make a commission for themselves. We, therefore, can safely put ClickBank on the same level as eBay and Amazon. Before ClickBank came along, things were not as smooth running as they are today, especially for the small man. The law of the jungle reigned and the credit companies had a final say of who gets onto the field to play. To operate as an internet marketer or affiliate marketer, you needed what was called a merchant account from the usual credit card companies. These companies had their own stringent terms and conditions of acceptance that worked in total contrast with the goals of the very affiliate marketers they were supposed to help. In layman's terms, you had a chance of a snowball in hell of getting your application accepted. That meant the few that got accepted are the ones who had enough money in their accounts to impress the credit card companies that they were not an investment risk and could be trusted with some upfront credit. Then came ClickBank and the whole ball game changed. ClickBank changed the scenario so much so that one can be forgiven for thinking they invented internet marketing. For instance, in the old system, you could not be eligible for a merchant account unless you were doing $1,000 plus in your business a month. It was a catch-22 situation for aspiring affiliates because to get to those figures you needed the services of a credit card payment in the first place. The credit card companies stood their ground and defended their point of view in that they were protecting themselves against unforeseen calamities prevalent in the affiliate marketing business. Something like an affiliate experiencing a spate of refunds for whatever reason, that would be very bad for the credit card guys, for there was no more guarantee of ever getting their money back. The ClickBank came to the scene with this very innovative business plan that leveled the playing fields. Developed trust and commitment to everyone involved. ClickBank developed separate ground rules for affiliates and also for product creators that made them to work seamlessly together in creating and marketing digital products more efficiently to the benefit of everyone involved. It is like a dream come true, especially for the small man out there who didn't have a chance of ever being given a chance because of constraints that were in place then. Affiliate marketing has really come a long way since those days, thanks to ClickBank's innovative spirit that has led them to represent over 20,000 digital products with over 150 partner affiliates promoting those products over the internet. Even registering as an affiliate has been reduced to a come-as-you-are affair. By simply opening an affiliate account with ClickBank is all you need to be able to promote any of their products. Even the qualifying merchant account issue was professionally sorted out and ClickBank is handling all the moving of monies themselves. They collect all the money paid for the sold products and in turn pay out any commissions due to relevant affiliates and give back to the product creators what is due to them. That means a product can start selling within hours of being put on the shelves. By simplifying the system, ClickBank has made business more profitable for everyone concerned. The marketplace in ClickBank, where the products are placed, is segmented in niches to make things easier for affiliates to choose the right products to promote. Available for the affiliates' use also is an array of tools to help in the decision-making and subsequent promoting the product. Also statistics to indicate the present trend of how the market is responding to any particular product on the shelves. For the affiliate, this means a lot of help because they get to know beforehand what they are getting themselves into, what type of product they are dealing with, how is the product perceived by the market, who are the people who respond most favorable to the product or what areas respond most favorable to the product. That in short means no bullets are wasted. That being said, it is worth mentioning that were it not for ClickBank's innovative and stringent security measures and high-tech equipment, scammers and fraudsters that roam the internet would have made trading almost impossible. There are rules and regulations that control both affiliates and vendors that one needs to be conversant with. ClickBank, being so long in the game, is the only one whose advice you can trust on how best you can do online. They are the ones who can tell you what works or what will not work online. As such, they have set out a comprehensive course that can get any aspiring affiliate shortcutting any learning curve right up to the winning posts. This course is for anyone who dreams of making a name for themselves as a six-figure earner in affiliate marketing or just to create a modest passive income, and the link is in the description below.